for any aspiring entrepreneurs to excel in their hustles. They must have a sound business ideas about that venture they are aspiring for. Ask yourself the right questions. Like, what task can I make easier and productively efficient? Brainstorm on the best step to start generating your business ideas. Go with the traditional ways, which you will be required to brainstorm on different ways on how you can render and offer your services to satisfy the needs, and how you will solve your customers' problems in a more easier ways than the existing methods in circulation. Remember the golden rule of brainstorming. For there are no bad ideas. As your thoughts keep popping up, get a notepad and jot them down, so you can later organize the list to focus on your strongest ideal concepts before writing your business plan. Do you really want to set up a business now? But unfortunately you have been confused about the niche to hop into. Or you have just been worried about the risk of high failure rates associated with businesses setups. Of course, this is of most concern for beginners. Research has shown that about 30% of small businesses failed within their first year. And the numbers keep jumping by 50% on the 5th year, and after some couple of years, 2/3 of the business has gone drastically dead entirely. These are the sobering statistics you can find anywhere. But the good news is that there are some certain business ideas that have a remarkably high success rate to be considered. Because there is a tremendous amount of opportunity to go in now, or start making plans for one later. So, sit tight with us, let me unveil some of these sound business ideas to you. Welcome to philoalbslifefacts.com, the place where future millionaires like you come to get inspirations for self-improvements. If you are new here, please do hit the subscribe button and click the like thumbs up. It helps our channel a lot. It's free. Alright, let me start by saying, there is no business that will never fail. Any business enterprise, where you can make any reasonable amount of money, is going to have some risk associated with it, even if you have an exceptional business mindset. In fact, there is a well-known principle, called the risk-return trade-off. It states that, as the potential return rises, so does the risk. But never lose hope. Just pick the one that it's likely to succeed, and begin immediately. The entrepreneur's pursuit of opportunities in any likely sector has gone beyond the current controlled resources. However, to generate any strong novel business ideas can be challenging. One of the most important things to consider before starting any business is to check the most likely type of that business niche. Let it be an authentic, innovative business idea category, that there would be chances for its sustainability. This can include a new product or service, a workflow enhancement, or anything that will improve the business in a new way. Like new strategies, new sales techniques, production quality, and new preservative methods. If you are ever interested in owning any business venture, this video is for you. Here are the innovative business ideas to consider before starting any business. Most entrepreneurs have used them to build successful companies. Number 1. Consider the cost of your business idea. Honestly, you don't need $1 million in your bank account to start a business. In as much as money makes more money, any business setup requires some good or little amount of cash to invest. That will make a significant impact on the foundational level of that venture. Determine how to make a high-quality equivalent of the cash at hand, to equate the fraction of products that you want to start up with. Mind you, let it has a great potential on the physical capital available. Number 2. The location of your business. One of the killing factors that can cause your business not to see the light of day is a wrong locations. When drafting your business plans, always seek first for a good hotspot where your product or service is highly in demand, or where your competitors are reasonably low. If at all costs, you may want to expand to a new location where the other businesses on the block are complementary high. Do ensure your business fits into that local market first, and what products or services would you want to add to your new location to boost your finance. Number 3. Sell what your customers can buy. Sell only those products that your customers have truly value on. The worth in a particular product or service will always lie in the eye of your customers. Of course, not every product from your distributors have a marketable capacity on your few customers. Sell most of the products that they are aware of and what they are used to, but if you want to introduce a new product to them, Please let it be affordable for customer retention. Number 4. Be opportunist to spin your business. When brainstorming on future business ideas, create windows for new arisen opportunities that might likely be trending in the market. Try to keep up with current events in your state or region. This will triple your sales because it will always help you identify marketplace trends in new industries and sometimes just new ideas that have business possibilities. For example, a new technology evolution in the market can be necessary a hinge. Number 5. Investigate other markets. Some business ideas are not suited to local consumption, and some are not also marketable in the urban areas as well. There are lots of dissimilarly ways any entrepreneur could go for the market research to collect customer data, but you don't have to limit yourself to just one research method. Go for the 4 common types of market research techniques like surveys, interviews, focus groups, and customer observation to compare with your business ideas that you are aspiring. Number 6. Invent a new product or service. Do some research, go around and ask yourself or anyone that will give you the meaningful attention. How could this situation be improved? Ask people about additional services that they would like to see in your neighborhood. Pick a particular market niche and exploit. Brainstorm on ideas for any specific products or services that people would possibly have interest on. The real key to all-round clock business ideas for a new product or service is to identify the market needs that have not been met yet. Take for example, back into 2004, a Harvard University psychology student, by the most searched name called Mark Zuckerberg. He recognized the need for a campus-wide social networking website that would allow students and staff to share personal profiles and other informations. He went on to develop Facebook, and finally he became one of the youngest billionaires in the world. Do your research. Start dreaming, think, and plan. You will become ready to charge that business idea into the business you have always wanted to start. For many, it can be a hassle to find sophisticated ideas to implement. Why some, they are just naturally gifted with an innovative ideas. If you have the mindset of an entrepreneur, learn how to take risk and start building your billionaire career. Keep asking yourself and practicalizing those brainstorming questions. You can generate a list of business ideas that can satisfy the market needs. Improve existing products or service and make your retiring life easier and more enjoyable. Genuinely make money and make more money. Click the end screen to watch how to get tough with life. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, and give us your opinion in the comment section below. We will do well to reply and give you a shout out on our next video. Peace.
All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. 'Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard